The Idea36 drone by TT36, model TT36, is engineered to elevate your aerial photography and flight experience. This GPS-enabled quadcopter combines a high-quality 4K camera with a Sony IMX sensor, powerful brushless motors, and intelligent flight features, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned pilots looking for a reliable and capable drone for indoor and outdoor use. Exceptional 4K camera with Sony IMX sensor. At the heart of the Idea36 drone's imaging prowess is its 4K camera equipped with a Sony IMX sensor. This professional-grade sensor, paired with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens, ensures stunningly detailed photos and videos, even in challenging low-light conditions. You can expand the drone's memory with an SD card, up to 32 GB, sold separately, to store all your high-resolution footage. The drone's video capture resolution is 4K UHD, ensuring crisp and clear visuals. Reliable 5 GHz Wi-Fi FPV for immersive transmission. Experience a clear and stable real-time view from your drone with its 5 GHz Wi-Fi FPV, first-person view, image transmission. This high-frequency connection provides a transmission distance of up to 300 meters, allowing for an immersive flight experience, including support for VR perspective flight. This ensures you can see exactly what your drone sees, crucial for precise framing and dynamic aerial maneuvers. Precise GPS tracking and outdoor hovering. Thanks to its integrated GPS system, the Idea36 drone offers superior stability and intelligent navigation. It accurately records its positions and distances, supporting outdoor hovering for steady shots. The GPS system also enables advanced features like predefined trajectory tracking, allowing the drone to follow a custom flight path you draw on the app. For added safety, it features automatic return to the starting point in case of signal loss or low battery. Efficient brushless motors for smooth flight. The TT36 is equipped with 4 brushless motors, a significant upgrade that provides numerous benefits. These motors offer high speeds, quiet operation, and a long service life, ensuring trouble-free flights with minimal maintenance. Brushless motors contribute to the drone's anti-wind ability of 4, making it more stable in various conditions and enhancing its overall durability. Smart gesture control for hands-free operation. Unleash your creativity with the Smart Gesture Control feature. Simply make a yes gesture to take a photo or hold your palm facing the camera to record videos. This hands-free functionality is ideal for sports enthusiasts, park hour, skateboarding, and other activities where operating a remote might be cumbersome. User-friendly for beginners. Designed with ease of use in mind, the Idea36 drone is categorized for beginner skill levels. Its optical flow positioning aids in stable indoor flight, and the intuitive controls make it easy to learn. The drone also includes essential features like controlled by app and remote control options for versatile piloting. Compact and durable design. Weighing 209 grams, the Idea36 drone strikes a balance between portability and stability. Its robust construction ensures durability for both indoor and outdoor use. Decent flight time and remote distance. Powered by a lithium battery, the drone offers a flight time of 10 to 20 minutes. The remote control provides a reliable 120-meter distance, ensuring ample range for most recreational flights. The controller uses 3 AA batteries, not included. In summary, the Idea36 drone, TT36, is a highly capable and user-friendly quadcopter that offers an excellent entry point into advanced aerial photography. Its combination of a high-quality 4K camera with a Sony IMX sensor, precise GPS tracking, efficient brushless motors, and smart gesture control makes it a versatile tool for capturing stunning visuals. With its focus on ease of use and robust performance, the Idea36 drone is an ideal choice for anyone looking to explore the skies and create captivating content for their adventures. Let us know in the comments, what would you capture first with the TT36? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, tips, and tutorials.